Nice cup of tea. Is that the most Lancastrian meal you've ever seen? Meat and potato pie, butties. Not sure about the brown bread, but apart from that, pure Lancashire. Unbelievably, the sun is out. What does that mean, Bert? Super leg era. Well, they are super light. Don't get much lighter than that. Bit of weight training. Oh, how heavy are these, John? 350 pounds. Okay, there's the bolts under the horn, the front mounting points. It's bloody hard. It's probably got Loctite on them. Or you were going clockwise. You weren't. I was saying, no, I know. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's fallen down.
Yeah. Well, it's good. The good thing is that the sound goes backwards.
That's a temperature sensor, isn't it?
Move that bolt from.
We don't know where it came from.
No.
We're not going to put it back in. I'm joking. From the top of the engine there, which is going to be a mounting point.
Stuff here. I don't know what to do.
Read the instructions. That always works.
Sollten keine Zusatzscheinwerfen.
What do you think's going on?
Insert steel spacer. 20 diameter times 11.
There, you can see one. Many questions about bolts, which we are
And that's 60.
struggling to find the answers to, but we will get there.
So
There are spacers.
Yeah, I'll hold that. You can just hold it still. Yeah.
Looking at my summer legs. John's metal cage. It's a metal cage around his bike.
And spacers.
Spaced out. Trip. I'll just wing that. Is that a spacer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you on?
It's okay. Let it go. You just need to move it around so I get it.
Yeah. That's what I was doing. Update. Side one in position, but not tightened. Around this side, John is happily pulling everything apart. You have to watch that spacer, don't you, John? That's the one spacer we're worried about.
Okay. Now.
Okay, this side, spacers, washers, all sorts going on. We are not giving any tips on this whatsoever. Not that we're not confident in our own ability, but just in case you get it wrong. Action shot.
Right, those are all temporarily done. Now we've got to find...
Temporarily done. How else do we do things?
Now we've got to find out how we're going to fit the...
Bolts at the front. They'll go in now. So they don't couple together in any other way apart from at the horn bracket. Yeah? There's nothing else. There's no joining bracket like the lower one.
Yeah, no, I'll have to slacken that because you've got like a thing in there.
Yeah.
Okay, you can slacken that one off.
To line these up, we've got to get the bracket the right way. But how much can I slacken this off? Okay, so what we've learned doing this is everything has to be tightened up very gradually. And this bit under here is very difficult, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely, it's falling into position.
Can you move that one backwards, your bar backwards and forwards?
Yeah, it does move quite a bit, look. See? I'm just looking at it now.
It just won't start.
John, just stop for a minute. Yeah. I can't see whether, you see, looking at it like that, is the bolt like that rather than in and out?
Yeah, this is...
Oh, well, that was so easy. It's nearly gone dark again. So, John, how did you find that Hepco BECKER upper Engine bars.
Not as easy as I'd have liked, but actually not too bad, I suppose. At the end
The
of the day.
problem with them is they only go on one way, don't they? There's overlaps and there's layers, and they've got to be right, but it doesn't tell you that. Anyway, they are on.
Bloody hell, so-
Any old iron?
Yeah.
Just going over everything, torquing it up. You can see that they fit here. They're the lower engine bars, upper engine bars. Bolt there, bolt underneath there, bolt on the engine. Yeah, it's got more metal than Iron Maiden.
Ta-da!
Hey, well, John, how was that? How was that for you? Straightforward,
Simple
nice
that.
and easy.
What do you reckon? 15 minutes? Maybe
Hours. I think that was the most difficult thing we've ever done.
20. Actually, it works fine. Got no problems with the legs. so
How
I was
difficult
worried
was
about my knees.
How difficult was it?
It was a peak.
It was to the millimetre, really,
Look,
wasn't it?
I can ride on the lower bars now.
You're going to use about 4 more gallons a year
I know. You should.
lugging the bars about.
They're actually quite light. I think they're fine.
And on that note, Codger Biker is out.